If your drain is making that annoying gurgling noise, like seriously, it's probably your vent pipe or a partial clog messing things up. Okay, so first off, check the vent pipe on your roof, because that's where air gets in to help water flow smoothly. If it's blocked by leaves or debris, you'll get those weird sounds. Next, try running some hot water down the drain to see if it clears up any minor blockages causing the gurgle. You can also use a plunger on the sink or tub to gently push through stuff that might be stuck without damaging your pipes. Another good tip is to pour a mixture of baking soda and vinegar down the drain. Wait for about 15 minutes, then flush it with boiling water. This natural combo helps break down buildup and keeps things fresh. If you're comfortable, snake the drain yourself with a plumbing snake or call a pro if it feels overwhelming. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning strainers and avoiding pouring grease or food scraps down the drain helps prevent future gurgling. Also, check if other drains in your home are acting up, because sometimes it's a bigger venting issue affecting multiple spots. One of the biggest mistakes people make with gurgling drains is ignoring the vent pipe, which is actually super important for preventing air pressure problems in your plumbing. Fix that by safely clearing out the vent on your roof or calling someone who can. Another common issue is not dealing with partial clogs early on. These slow down drainage and cause the sounds, so use plungers or natural cleaners regularly to keep things moving. Lastly, folks often pour harsh chemicals down the drain to fix problems, but that can ruin your pipes over time. Opt for safer methods or professional help instead. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their way around plumbing and all kinds of home fixes. If you're a contractor, it's also a cool place to connect with homeowners looking for someone reliable to get the job done right.